Welcome to another tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro for beginners. Now, in this lesson, we're going to be looking at creating a timeline, creating a sequence, and breaking through timelines. So, there are two ways where you can create a timeline. So, first, as you can see over here, we've been told we don't have any sequences. So, the first way is you can create a custom sequence, and then from there, you can create your own timeline and start editing your videos. Now, to create a custom sequence, all you have to do is click on this icon, new item, then select sequence, and then the new sequence window will pop up. Now, that's one way. Another way is you can right click over here at the project panel, then new item, sequence, and then this will pop up. Now, for now, we're going to ignore all this. Do not change anything. You don't have to change anything over here. You can just come over here and then you can name your sequence. So give it a name, click OK, and you can see it's created a new sequence for us with video tracks and audio tracks. Now from here we can come to wherever we have our videos, our media that is. Now you can see it's already updated itself in the projects panel. So at the projects panel, you can keep view of all the projects of all the pages that you have. So this is where we have our sequence. So I'll select this media and then I'll come and drop it over there. Put this in settings, and you can see we've added the video and the audio. So that is one way of creating a timeline. So I'll just hit Ctrl+Z. And let's look at the second way of we can create a sequence or a timeline over here. So what you can do is select a video or a media that you want to work with. We're going to click and drag it and drop it under the source. Now you can see as of now it can't go here. It's because I'm under effect controls. So make sure you are under source in case it's telling us we don't have any clips. So I'll just click this, drag it here, and then just drop it. And you can see now we have a clip, and if I click here, it's going to play a video for me. So that's basically what it does. Now from here I can choose to click and drag the video only to the timeline or the audio only. So let's click on the video. So I'm just clicking on this icon. It will tell you, if you bring your mouse over here, it will show you drag the only. So I'm going to click, drag and drop, and you can see it's created a sequence for us, and then we have our video over here. Now if I want to add the audio, all I have to do is click and drag and then drop it over here, and now we have both the video and the audio. Now another thing in Adobe Premiere allows you to work with more than just one sequence. So you can add the sequence to the one that you have. So currently we have this one. All I have to do is come over here and create a second custom sequence. Let's call this Cs. Click OK. And you can see it's opened a new tab for us, and we currently don't have any media. So you can always come back and just add the media. And there we go. So we've created two different sequences, and then we can edit on together as we go. So you can see if we come over here and click on this house icon, it will still be left the project panel. You can see we still have it over here. So if I want to restore it back, all I have to do is double click, and here we have it back. But for now we don't want it, so I'm just going to close that and then select this, click delete, and let's just do that with the one that we'll be working with.